comes in your mind when you first hear Indonesia? Are you thinking about a tropical country where you can get generous amounts of sunlight, or a hot and humid place with lots of jungle and exotic animals? Well, we do have those things in our country, but the geographical feature in Indonesia is unique. With 5 major islands and thousands of smaller islands situated between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. It consists mainly of coastal lowlands. Some of Indonesia's larger islands, Sumatra and Java for example, have large interior mountains. Because the 17,001 islands that make up Indonesia are located on the 2 continental shelves, many of these mountains are volcanic, and there are several crater lakes on the islands. Java alone has 50 active volcanoes, but some parts in this country rise to over 15,000 feet. In central Papua, snow covers some peaks all year. In contrast to the lush green scenery found elsewhere on the island of Java, the Baluran National Park, located on the eastmost edge of Java, consists predominantly of open savannas, where wildlife roams free. Welcome to Africa, Fun Java. Welcome to Baluran National Park. Here, one can watch grazing, the large Javan water buffaloes called banteng, small Java mouse deer is known as kancil, eagles flying overhead, and macaques fishing for crabs with their tails. Covering 250 square kilometers, the park forms part of the district of Situbondo in the province of East Java, comprising lowland forest, mangrove forest, and 40% swathes of fertile savannas, providing abundant food for the animals. Here also many typical Java trees like the Java tamarind and the pecan nut trees.